So sit down and begin to think of where to put money. Because see, before now, one of the mistakes many of us made when we started out is that we'll go and produce a product. We'll now be looking for the market.
Welcome to Biblical Finance Ministry, and in today's video, we'll be learning about top places to invest. Dr. Olumide Emmanuel will be giving us insight on top places to invest. He is widely celebrated as the common sense guru. Watch this video, learn, and be transformed by its message.
A lot of people ask me questions like, where should I invest into? What industry do you think I should go into? What are the different industries that we should explore? So what I want to give you now, I'm going to give you a list of about 16 different industries. Maybe 16, maybe I'll add one more to make it about 16 different industries that anywhere you are in the world, these 16 industries are things you can explore. And then in these 16 industries, I'm now also going to tell you 7. So that's 16 times 7. So we're going to do like 200 or something together. It's going to be mathematical. So I'll give you the 16 or 17 industries. And then I'll give you 7 areas that you can operate in each of the industries. So you can now multiply that 7 times 16 and see the possibilities that are available for you to explore. Do we understand that? So let me give that to you. So we list it out so we can now go into practicals and do like a workshop session. We can pick an industry and then explore. So let's look at 16. So number 1, food. Anything food. Because food is one of the basic needs of man. So anything food. If it is well done, well packaged, well positioned, you will do well anywhere in the world. Number 2, clothing, fashion. Even poor people want to look good. And there is fashion for every level. So anything clothing, anything fashion, anything that value chain is a big business any day, anytime. Number 3, shelter, real estate. Any day, anytime, people need a place to live. You'll be amazed that even under the bridge, people are collecting rents. I hope you know. All those people you see under the bridge that you say there are landlords under the bridge collecting rents per night for you to sleep. So shelter is a big business. And no matter how sophisticated we become, even if we decide to say they will give you a tablet that will make you to stand like this for 10 hours, you will still need a place to stand. So everybody will still need to pay. So shelter. So sit down and begin to think of different dimensions of real estate. Number 4 is communication. We will forever need to communicate. So anything that has to do with communication is a major business. So that's why you see the telecom industry. I hope you know that the airtime you are buying, have you sat down to think about it? Air is free, time is free. So what are you really paying for? No, think about it. Airtime. Air is free, time is free now, but you are buying airtime. It's because somebody understands that for every time you are talking, they can collect money from your talking. And they have created a system to make you pay for air and time that God gave you free. So sit down, look at all these areas. Number 5, transportation. Every level of transportation. You can create even regional transportation. You can even come up with new kinds of transportation that can create an entirely new market. So transportation in all its level, anywhere in the world. Number 6, education. Big business. Listen and listen well. Right now, 76% of Nigerians are below the age of 35. 76% of Nigerians are below the age of 35. By 2050, which is 27 years from now, Nigeria will be 300 million plus people. In 27 years, we're going to be the 3rd largest nation on earth, next to China and India. Nigeria, in 27 years, we're going to be the 3rd largest nation on earth. In 27 years. So listen and listen well. All these 180 something million people that are below the age of 35, many of them are not having any children yet. So by the time they start, right now, our median age in Nigeria is 19.5. So the middle age in Nigeria is 19 and a half years old. That's the median age of Nigerians. So it means that an average Nigerian now is 19 years old. It's less than 20 years old. So if all of them give birth to two children each, just calculate it and think of the schools that all of them will need. And I hope you know, I've been alive now for over 50 years. Sit down and go and do your research. How many schools has the federal government or state government built in the last 40 years? Nothing. It's private school, private university. And guess what? In the last 12 years alone, read the School of Money book. As at 12 years ago, we had maybe 27 or 127 universities. Now, between that 12 years later, the one we don't join, they never reach 100. Right now, in Nigeria today, every year, the people that graduate, that do WAEC, is over 1 million every year. And the number of university admission that is available in Nigeria right now, private, is less than 300,000. So 1.2 million people are graduating, only 300,000 are admission. So that means 800 people, 800,000, nowhere to go. Then the 800,000 of last year still there. The 800,000 of 2 years ago still there. That's to show you the kind of money. If you know how much we are spending, go to Ghana, people are inside container going to school. If you know how much, go to Benin Republic, go around the African. Didn't you see which one? Is it Sudan or where did they bring Nigeria recently? There's one country now, Sudan now. You know, see how they bring a plenty. You go mind you say Nigeria, they there. There's food everywhere. Because there's no school. It's big business. And that's just traditional school. Though. We have not spoken about, other alternative education. Academics. You have not even talked about music school. We have not spoken about acting school. We have not spoken about football academy. We have not spoken about all manner of educational level. Billions sitting down to be made. And you don't have to be say, I don't have dream for, it's not my passion. Forget passion. It's not about passion. It's where the money is, where the opportunity is. Set up the school. Let people that have the passion run it. Own it. Let them run it. Let them be passionate while you are profitable. Number 7, finance. Finance is big business. Big business. Many of you don't know how much money people are making from all this banking, microfinance, pension fund administrator, health insurance, all the big money. Once you're able to get all this license, big money. All this bank, they are fraud. They are chopping money. They go collect money for text message, collect money for email, collect COT, go charge you for everything. Big money that these guys are making. How much does it take to start a bank? I'm chartered accountants. You can't start bank. Hello? So finance. A lot of people need financial education. A lot of people need financial literacy. A lot of people need financial guidance. Next, media and technology. Media and technology. Can't you see what's happening now with social media? Media and... Oh, thank you. I look too far from that place. So media and technology. So begin to think of media. I own a TV station. Look, people are watching TV on their phone now. After a while, nobody will be watching normal terrestrial TV. There's so much money to be made. There's so much opportunity in media. So media and technology. So sit down and begin to think of where to put money. Because see, before now, one of the mistakes many of us made when we started out is that we'll go and produce a product. We'll now be looking for the market. And we're trying to convince people that the product is good for them. But we have now learned that that's not the way to go. First of all, discover the market. What do people need? And then create a product to meet that demand. So it's not about passion. The way people are running away now, if you start a seminar now, how to relocate to Canada with ease, you don't need prayer, you don't need anointing. Everywhere go full. Because that is a river that is flowing now. Instead of trying to force people. No. Hello? Let me tell you something. Many of these things we say, packaging, branding, customer service, they are all good though, but it's when your products is not needed that you need all those things. When people are hungry, they don't care whether the food came from buka or restaurants. Hello? When the woman is in labor, she doesn't know whether the doctor is a man or woman, whether he's an Hindu or the doctor has tattoo. She's in labor and the doctor comes with tattoo and earring, he go deliver. Hello? It's when your product is not needed. Think about it. If you have been believing God for a child for like 15 years of marriage, and then finally your doctor calls you to tell you that you are pregnant and congratulate you, is there any way he will say it that will make you angry? There is no way we say that will make you angry, because the news is bigger than his attitude, is bigger than his. So when you are talking customer service, I know they are good, but be sure that your product is needed first, so that when you fail in customer service, they will keep coming because of the product. Because the thing is needed. Hello? Number 9, safety and security. Big business. Big business. Many of you don't know that some people, what they are selling is weapon, and they are making billions. I hope you know there are people that's what they sell in Nigeria. They are weapon distributors. Legal, I'm not talking of the legal one. Legal. They sell gun, they sell ammunition. There are people in the security business. It's big business. Security, big business. Many people don't even know that there is private security in Nigeria. Many people don't know that there is security gadget alone. Spray, all those things. There are all manner of businesses. So safety and security, because people want to be safe. They want to be secure. Under that safety and security, you know, CCTV, all these things, they are all these other big business, billions to be made. Product manufacturing, the manufacturing sector. The amazing thing about manufacturing is nobody has the copyrights for manufacturing. Manufacturing is a global thing. As water is now, you can start your own. Nobody can say you cannot start water. Their own are blue, your own be yellow. Their bottle will be like this, your bottle will be like this. Water. So manufacture. So sit down. Every day we drink water. Every day we use toilet roll, clean mumble. Every day we are bathing ourselves. All these things are big business. So soap, cleaning soap, washing soap, drinking water, tissue paper, all manner. Do you know that people are importing toothpick? Government has now had to double and multi-double the import duty on toothpick. What did they take toothpick? Matches. All manner of things that you can produce. And you guys in the East, you are the headquarters of manufacturing. You are the China of Nigeria. So manufacturing is big business. Now, one of the things that is causing problem for manufacturing is about to stop now, because they have now signed the electricity bill. So power is a major problem for. So guys, you should go and start your own electricity now, because now you don't need license. You can do 1 kilowatt, I mean 1 megawatt or whatever without license. So you can start coming together now, all of now, for Onitsha market, Ariara market, all of that, come together, do 1 megawatt, be doing your power by yourself. So you can come together in clusters and start your own power company and be doing your power without license. It has been signed. Every state can now do license electricity. Every individual can now do electricity. So the yoke is broken. The door is open for people to enter now and start making their money. So you can do your own electricity and sell to your neighbor. It's now liberalized. The new president has signed it. So manufacturing. Then power and energy, which is the next one. Power and energy. The power sector is a multi-billion-dollar sector. And with this new bill, the door is open. There's so much money to be made. Do you know how much money is in inverter, is in solar, is in alternative energy, is in energy saving bulb? Power and energy, super money. Billions to be made. And China is your neighbor. You know China, you just go there, place your order, tell them what you want. They put your name there, they import it. You put know how to bring container. It's your area. Next is sports. Sports is big business. But unfortunately, people are only in the entertainment aspect of business. You want to wear jersey, you want to wear this, but you don't make money. There's so much money in sports, all manner of sports, all dimensions of sport. You now know the amazing thing about sports is that there's even so much money waiting for people that are sport practitioners. There are people that have money all over the world looking for who to come and support. I meet people all over the world and they say, oh, do you have anybody that is into the softball? I say, Nigeria, we should be softball. Do you have anybody that is into volleyball? Everybody is doing football. But all these other ball, volleyball, softball, leg ball, handball, all they are money abroad, grants available. Hello? So think of sports. You can start catching them young. Do you know that if you get one player, just the transfer fee or sign-on fee can settle you? So there are a lot of people that are jobless, that are everywhere. You can begin to think of all these things. So sports.
I really hope you enjoyed this video. For more content like this, like, subscribe and click on the notification bell to get notified of our weekly uploads. Comment in the section, I'll make it big this year, and so shall it be. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.